This guy made $32. This one 49. This one 13. $9. $5. $7. $5. We have someone also here. He made $49.71. Someone who made $45.29. In this video, I will show you how to start making money using your TikTok account. For using a TikTok account and you are not also making money from either from Ghana or from Nigeria or any other African countries, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any comment, put it in the comment section. I'll come in and answer you. The website that we are going to talk about is streamme.io. So if you have type in streamme.io, I have the link in the comment section. Make sure you use that link to take you to this platform. This platform works in the way of you shorting a link. So for you to start making money from this app, so let's log into TikTok. So if you log into TikTok, you see we have a bunch of videos here. This bunch of video will help you create a different account or different platform that will help you to make that sum of money. What you're supposed to do here to look for trending video that are always trending. People are interested in watching them. If I search for this one, you see it has millions of views. This one had 35 million. This one had 25 million. So these are trending videos that most people are searching for and watching them on TikTok and most of the platforms. So what you're supposed to do is click on that video and take a screenshot of this video. This one says survivor change 100%. So you take a screenshot of this video, come to Pinterest and create an account on Pinterest. So what you're supposed to do in Pinterest is what you're going to paste a video that you screenshot on this platform, on this TikTok platform. And when you paste it here, many people will start watching this. So let me go in and screenshot this one. This is my screenshot. So what you're supposed to do, so I go to Canva, and this time you can do it on your mobile phone on your PC. So I go to Canva and I go to create a design. Then I search for Pinterest. I need to go in, drag and drop my screenshot video here. So let me go and drag. Then I paste it here. I need to drop it. Go to element and search for arrow. So I'll choose this free one. Then you rotate it. Then you need to make sure you add a text to it. Go and click on a text and then write your text. Change the color. Then you go to share, download a JPEG and download your item. So after you have done, you come to Pinterest, and Pinterest, go and click on create new. So we are going to drag our thumbnail that we just created, then write the title, and then you write the description. So on the description, you give credit to the person who created that video. Then you go to TikTok, find the person who created that video. So this person created the video. I copy the name of this person, come to Pinterest and paste the name here. Okay. Then your description, you're going to add your link. Okay, so this link is where people are going to use to watch. So you need to go to TikTok, paste the link. So copy the link to Pinterest and paste in the link here, add a tag, then you go to publish it. When people are watching it or using your link to search for things and the rest, or they click on the link, then this website that would pay you. If you want to withdraw, you go to withdraw, and if you go to withdraw, we have withdraw, how you can set up your withdrawal platform. So go to settings and go to profile, billing address here. So you need to make sure you go in and type in your billing payment method. They use Binance Pay, Payer, and the rest Perfect Money. We can use Perfect Money in Africa here, and PayPal too. So in case you have any of these accounts, you can use it to receive your payment. The minimum withdrawal is from $5. So if in case you reach $5, then you will start getting paid. If anytime you sign up, you receive $1, and the minimum payment is what, $5. And frequency payment is what, every daily. Okay, every day they make payment, and you can use Bitcoin, USD, and PayPal, Pay, Web Money, Perfect Money, and the rest to receive your payment. And they have calculated according to package description and countries. People in green line get $22. Here you say who world deals, or all countries. Only all countries you receive $3.5. 1k view, you receive $3.5. Calculate this one by 1 million, how much you receive per day or a week on this simple tips that you're supposed to do. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any comment, you can put it in the comment section. See you in the